I'm trying to do a mini vlog. I seen something online yesterday. It was lock jewels.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
And I absolutely loved them. So I'm going to go to Michael's. I got my sister with me. I'm going to try to get her on the video, but she said no. I want to show you her locks. Say hi, Shelly. Who am I saying hi to? My vlog. So we're gonna go to Michael's and we're gonna try to find some jewels because I'm a do-it-yourselfer. Now I've seen people do it on regular size locks, probably my sister's size, but I'm gonna try to see if I can find at least one or two that I could do it on my hair. This is what the world has come to, like masking our faces just to go into a store. I hate it. Anyways, we finally made it to Michael's. Yeah, but I wanted more like diamond. Okay. Do you see a hole? Is there? Yeah, there's holes.
Like, I kind of like these, but obviously individual glass beads. Yeah, but what would I have to do? Like, open them up in order to use them small? This and around there. Oh, this is nice. This is what, rose gold? These look too big, though. Look at the color. It's not as shock out as the other diamonds over there. These are the ones we're looking for. Okay. Maybe this? There's different ones. Here's some crystal. Yeah, I kind of, oh, no, definitely not this one. These ones are smaller. I'm looking for more crystal, more bling. I want bling. No.
So how I'm assessing it is I'm putting it up to my hair to see which one kind of like would be the same somewhat size, and this probably would be the best one. I don't know which one I'm gonna end up going with, but I think the silver, but yeah, we'll see. All right guys, so that was it. Very quick little short little vlog, and yeah, see if I could get one of these bad boys actually on my hair. Why is she trying to get one of these beads on my hair right now? Because I am. What is this? Why is my ends up and not actually through? Because my nails are broken. It's not working there. I'm not keeping that one in my hair. Why? Whoa, look there. You owe me some money, honey. Why do I owe you money? Because I got it on. Because I got it on. With my ends? Let me see this. How high you want it, miss? This is way too thick and too round for my lock. But it's cute for now. Ow. Could you pull it down just a little bit? It's too high. Ah. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about this now that you put it on. I think I just want the ones that are at the ends. Anyways. So my sister has took my style and tried two in her lock. There it is. So guys, I just made it home, and I don't have the same enthusiasm, yeah, that's the word I'm looking for, as I had earlier in regards to putting in these LocSprinkles. Reason why is I like them at the ends, very subtle and throughout at the ends. Now I'm probably have to go through my hair and find the ones that are locked, where I can install a jewel. I really like that look. I've seen other people put it throughout their lock. For me, I don't think I want that. Maybe one of them, we'll see. But for right now, it's more subtle if it's just at the ends, and it just looks like, what is that? You know, how did she get that? What I bought we did put 2 into my sister's head as a trial. I didn't record that part, sorry. Going forward, if she decides to do more, we will definitely try to put like 1 or 2 tutorials of how we did it and who we followed. I'm a little disappointed because my hair ends are out. And as I said, I don't want it going up the shaft. I just wanted them at the ends. Not all of my ends, just a couple, enough to be noticeable, but yet subtle. I'm probably gonna have to like go through my locks, which from this eye's view, yeah, slim pickings. So I don't know. So this is the lock. She is 10 years in her journey. We're going to try to conquer the black hair. I'm in love with the color. I'm in love with her locks. Hopefully you guys can see what's going on. We have little strings on the table. We got little jewels on the strings. My sister's doing one right now. And then we're going to attach it to the ends of her hair. So to start, I have got the needle, the thread, the diamond already on the needle. I'm going to take the end of the lock and I'm going to thread it through. Now I'm going to hold the string that has the diamond onto the lock and I'm going to pull the other string through. I'm going to try to pull the other string through. There we go. And then I'm just going to tie it about 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And cut off the excess string. And there you have it. Now with us together, it has taken us a little bit over an hour of doing this together. It probably would take people a lot longer. So I'll just do it one more time.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else to love me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a.
This is the end result. Very subtle. I love it. So we only did the black ends